Hi everyone, we're in my bathroom and I'm wearing my hair coloring shirt, so you know what's happening. We're trying to fix my hair, yet again. It's a little bit brown, it's a little bit blue, and there is some green over here. Not sure you can see it. Here's the plan for today. We're going to bleach it again. I haven't bleached it in a while. We're going to start with the ends and then we're moving on to the roots. Now, today we're using a different product. This is what we're using and I have only one, so we're using one. This particular brand, it's called Nordic Blonde. So let's do it. So this is what we have. We got a bleaching cream, the developer. So this is a color after treatment. I don't understand what that means. And we have to read the instructions, I guess. Don't like that at all. This, I suppose, is the powder, bleaching powder. Yeah, this is the bleaching powder. And these are some gloves. And let's see. So this is in Spanish. I don't understand it. So let me try and understand. Okay, so it's not complicated. I'm going to use the gloves. I'm just going to use this one. We're going to start with this. And I guess maybe this. Okay, we have to break it a little bit in order to open it. Okay. So, we shouldn't smell it. Don't smell it. I'm at my best. Now we're going to get this. Let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. I've done this wrong. It was supposed to go in first, but well. So let me give you a fair warning. There is definitely black dye on my hair. We're going to close it and mix it until everything is combined. I'm not going to section my hair, I'm just going to divide it like in four, and that's just what I plan. I know it seems like it, but I don't really have that much hair, so it's really not necessary. Or, you know, maybe I'm just lazy. Either way, it's valid. So I'm going to try to get the light a little bit closer. You can see, I don't know, I'm not sure you can see what I'm doing, but I'll try my best. So, here's what we're doing. We're going to just go through all this carefully. You know, beware of your clothes. Oh, so this is new. So this is blue. Last time I bleached my hair, I had some blue dye, and I'm not sure that went well, but maybe I was right. So, next, we're going with the front part. We're going with this next, so let's just go for it. I should have gotten 2 bottles at least, so this is not enough. I'm not expecting big results, but we'll keep going. I'm not gonna do like a big fuss about it. I'm just going to rub it in. I understand this is not how you do it, but I am tired. And I don't care. If you're not the chaos kind of person, I get it. If you are, just stay with me. Okay, so it's what we're doing. I'm just going to put it up. And I'm just going to lay it flat. I like to lay this. Yeah, this This is not going to change color whatsoever, so let's see. We're going to get our trusty bag, plastic, get it all in, wipe it down, because this is like not very beneficial for your skin, I guess. I'll see you in about 30 to 45 minutes. Hi there, let me give you an update on the bleaching. As you can see, not much has changed, though the roots seem a little bit lighter. Probably nothing going on in the ends, but we'll believe until the last minute, which is probably about now. Let's check the instructions. It says 30 to 40 minutes. I'll leave it for about 40 minutes, I think. I think I can handle 40 minutes, so that's what I'm doing. Hopefully my hair will not fall off. If it falls off, we're rocking the bolt. Scary. So I'm just going to wash it, and I'm going to be back soon with the results, hopefully. See you. And this is what it looks like. It is significantly lighter on the roots. It is a little bit lighter throughout. Now, not gonna lie, this ruined my hair. I'm not sure if it is that I've done it before a while ago, or this product is just too strong. We got rid of a little bit of the black. I think we're getting to something here. So this is what it looks like dry. It looks dry. It's not good. It's not that damaged, it's just a little bit dry. We did get some lightening of the ends. I wasn't expecting that, but it is a little bit more on the brown side. Thanks for keeping me company while I ruined my hair, and thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.